scared.
A punch bowl is basically where the water has punched a hole in the ground over years of erosion. So that's the original bridge. Then this is the bridge on top, and this is the new one. So that metal underneath there, the green metal, that's the new bridge.
Oh, what about that one?
That's the soil built up, and then that's the new one. So this one here at the bottom is the bridge where the cow, the devil, and the dog, the old lady. Don't be scared, Tiz.
I'm not scared, I'm like a mum.
Just take your time.
I'm alright.
Step by step. Hello! So yeah, that's the old bridge with the devil. Then this is the new bridge they put on top. And then this was the newest bridge there. Woo. Wow, look at that. They are quite steep. So this is the punch bowl. Yeah, so basically this is called the punch bowl, right? So what's happening is the water over time is being eroding, like is actually eating away at the sides, and that's why you get these swirl pools. Over there, pretty special, isn't it? Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous girl.
I took a photo of you and Dale. Look how cute it is. It's like a little proud dad moment. Look. Oh, that's quite cute.
Nice, nice. Hey, do you know what? Wouldn't it be cool to fly a drone under the bridges?
Too unhealthy for that.
No, just take your time. Nice and slowly. There's no rush. Right, let's have a look at just the viewing platform. Yeah, but it's only just these steps. Hopefully. Oh, right, cool, the history. Oh, so that's it there, look, before they put the new bridge on. That's before they put the new metal bridge on the top. That's with the three of them. 1931, okay. Oh yeah, sorry, hang on. Is that's it, there's a door there. There's a door there. There's a little chimney sticking out there, another door there.
It said fairies are living here, but no one believed me.
No, yeah, look, the fairies living here.
I know, that's what it said.
And then look, we got little froggies over here.
Pondy.
The pond is a bit dry though.
No, it's not.
Mr. Big Dragon. This way, that's the dragon, but this is a little fairy village. So you know little fairies, like the tough fairy?
Yeah.
See the door in the tree? And then there's another door over there.
Yeah.
There's a house on the floor. There's a chimney sticking out over there. Well, they got keys and they just open the doors. It's pretty little cool little place. This is a piece of the bridge from 1901. It was a piece of the side rail. Of the, yeah?
This is the bridge where the devil was.
No, the first one is the one with the devil.
Is that the first one?
The first one is the one right at the bottom.
Wait, did they have like candles on the side?
It would have had, yeah, candle lit, yeah. So this one here, this one is the one, the devil. Where are you? This side. This one is the one with the devil. Then they built this new bridge on the top. And then they needed to upgrade that bridge to make it bigger and stronger. So they built this new bridge.
That would have been hard because they would have to change the road, didn't they?
Yeah. So they built 3 bridges on top of each other. It's pretty cool, isn't it? When normally... Right, turn left to see the 3 bridges. Turn left to see the 3 bridges. Or go that way. So let's go left to see the 3 bridges. Wow. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So now we're on the other side.
Yeah, and you're close to the bridges now. Let's see what this gets to say.
So you can see the detailing and stuff of it. So you can see how wide, do you see how wide the new bridge was extended to, Dale? You can see where the old bridge, how wide it was. How, like this one, how thin it is. Now, look over down there. Yeah, you can come all the way up. The fence is not going anywhere. You're going right down there.
Okay, don't put me off now.
Huh?
I'm a bit nervous.
Come on.
Oh, me is very Welsh. Me and Huffy Coffee. Me and Huffy Coffee.
Don't take a piss.
Dewey Huffy Coffee.
You don't know.
Dewey Huffy Dura Coffee.
See them in Huffy Coffee.
Flapjack.
Flapjack. What flapjack? No. It's like this till you get to what's called Jacob's Ladder.
I don't like Jacob.
Jacob's Ladder is basically a staircase that's like
To hell.
a ladder.
To hell.
But not to hell.
Basically.
I've climbed ladders to hell.
Yeah, I know.
Believe me,
I know.
they were to hell.
The
This
ladder
one's
to hell.
fine.
But it is called Devil's Bridge, so it would be called the ladder to hell.
It is a lovely little place though, isn't it?
Hang on.
It's pretty accessibility friendly. I will give it that, because you've got quite a lot of steps. You've got quite a lot of jagged stones.
But it's because of like people being absolute idiots, Harris.
I thought you were the map man.
I know, but I gave it away for my... No, I was the man.
You gave her away for a milkshake.
Yeah. I gave it to everyone. So Harris took it off her.
Wow, look at that, Shay.
Wow.
So see that scar line over there in the trees?
Yeah.
That's the train track.
Very.
What we came along. And we're going, can you see the path right at the bottom?
No.
We're going right down into that. Wales is an awesome place to come visit.
I've
Look,
got a
that's
rhyme.
pretty colours.
I've got a paper.
I've got a rhyme. Hang on, let me think.
Go on then, Harris, give us a rhyme.
I've got one. I've got one.
I don't know.
Party, party, my arse is nasty.
What did you say, Ella?
What?
Ella's struggling more than me.
Because it's down for a weekend, and then I think all my mates are like camping. So would I be able to camp with them?
There's a step there. There's a. Have you seen this carved statue?
Don't go down there, waste your time.
Blocked by trees.
Yeah, well,
Can't
that's.
really see anything.
No, it's just, still it's a viewing platform, so let's just have a view.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's such a beautiful little spot. You're a statue. Dale Bear. You're like Yogi Bear. Yeah? What?
When you was born, little smile. They put money in there.
Nah. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I think that's a 10p.
That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Do you think it's worth the walk?
That's pretty.
It's very pretty, isn't it?
Because it makes me more healthy.
The walk makes you more healthy.
Yeah, like get my steps up.
Oh, you got to get your steps up, do you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I haven't been camping, but I think I've done a lot.
I think you've done a lot too. I haven't been counting either. It'd be hard work to just keep counting
Yeah.
one step,
If it's
two
funny, you
steps.
have to go.
I think you can get your phone to count it, but you don't need to
Yeah,
carry
I
your
did
phone
get
all the time.
something. I did get like something on my phone,
Yeah.
but I deleted it because I never used it.
Did you like the train ride?
Yeah, that's my favourite thing.
That was your favourite, yeah? Yeah, it must be a good luck thing. They just hammered them in, yeah, like two pences.
Isn't it good luck if you throw like 1p or like something in the water? A special water. Like, remember in London, I think it was in London, there was like this thing, water.
The wishing well.
Yeah, and everyone put money in there.
Yeah?
When you put it in, when you put the penny in, it will want it to be in a green. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Well,
I tried it before and I said
I think
to have a Wales kit, but it didn't work out.
it didn't work out. You didn't get a Wales kit.
No,
What kit did you get instead?
an Arsenal.
An Arsenal one! Complaining that she got an Arsenal kit instead of a Welsh kit.
Yeah.
God, the wishing man he really messed up there, didn't he?
Yeah. What if he?
That's a pine marten.
What if
They're
imagine he got me a little?
Yeah, they're native in these woods. They were almost extinct, but it was conservation that like is saved them. They were basically hunted for the fur. Yeah, it's actually pretty sad, really. But yeah, look, they were basically poisoned to this brink of extinction, where they were so rare that it was like you were really lucky if you ever seen one. And even now, if you did see one in the woods, consider yourself as one of those people that, you know, like you could be like one in like 100,000 people in the world that have actually seen one with your own eyes. And that's what makes little things like this quite unique. And it's really special, that is. It's really special. Down some more windy
Monument 8. It's
Monu-
quite big.
Yeah, no,
Get there.
yeah, and then we're going to stand on the decking that overhangs the waterfall now.
Yeah, I think this is it. I think this is Monument 8.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, this is
We were going right down to the bottom and then back up. And then see over there, there's a decking platform.
Yeah.
We're going to be stood on
Hold
that.
on, what monument's that?
I don't know.
11. Next monument is the break. Dude, these stairs are really narrow.
They are really narrow, yeah.
Oh. Is this the stairs with 8 hubs?
Yeah.
I thought you said that was 90.
Hello, Naris. So we're going down there. This is now Jacob's ladder. That's it, take your time, Shay, take your time.
I am.
Yeah, carry on, come. You're doing really well, Tiz. That's it. You're doing well, just walk down like a normal staircase, that's it. So nice and slowly. That's it, nice and slowly. Your ankles are hurting. Walk down like a normal staircase.
You just hold them on.
That's it, yeah, hold on. The boys. Yeah. It's alright, you wait till you have to walk up them. You see the Maris? Do you see the bridge? Yeah. You're well over halfway. You're well over halfway. Wow, look at this place, it's amazing. Let's cross the bridge then.
Tell you what, can't wait for wine.
Yeah.
Are we there? Are we there? I love it when you take all the face that way. These steps are huge. Thing is,
I'm walking down them backwards.
we're not going back up. We're going to get a helicopter. We've got two. Well, how are you going to get back?
No, you don't come back up these ones, you go up that side. It's a one-way system. Monument 9 now. Don't be scared. Don't be scared now, okay? I'm with you. That's it. Right, you ready to cross the bridge? Right, that's it. Take your time. Take your time. There you go. Woo! There. That's mad, isn't it? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I was in my own little world then.
Yeah, no,
Right, hold on if you need to now, boys, okay? Oh, look.
you're joking me.
No, look, this is what I love. Look at this. It's like a old school graffiti wall. 18th of July, 1905. A. Whitmore, Nottingham. Established 1899. See, you did really well, babe.
That was creepy, so I just...
You did really, really well. You're doing fantastic.
That bridge is like going up and up and up.
That's it, use the handles if you need to. Oh, that's a lovely little bench, isn't it?
Where?
There.
Oh, yeah.
See, look, it's all on here too.
Where is one?
Where people write their names on the wall. Oop, thank you.
I can't believe I just done that thing.
And think, somebody built all these steps into the...
Hey, Mum. Mum.
Yeah, the boys have gone to the decking. You coming down, Tess? Ooh, these are all new steps. Nice and new. And that's, see the platform up there? Yeah. And then see the one that's shed up there? That's where we just had lunch. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, this is the robbers' cave, yeah. So this is where they were hiding.
Who?
Well, you got to read it. The spray coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, boys. So
Coming down it.
see this. Come now. Oh, come on! You got to experience that. You got to experience it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 steps. It's lovely little spot, isn't it? It's lovely. Yeah, that's where we just had lunch now. It's in that shed up there. Right. We'll let these people come down and then we'll go up.
You know that there's a thing, yeah?
Yeah?
It's like something that's like light or something.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. It'd be lovely to just sit in that little pool there, wouldn't it? Such a cool little spot though, isn't it? Right.
Hey.
Yeah. Yeah, that's literally, that's it. Just,
Next monument is
Alright.
up.
1969. I love stuff like that. For me, that's the real heritage. And just think, once you've done it, you're never going to do it again. Okay. You're doing really well, Naris. We're really proud of you.
Next monument's up here.
Right, hang on a sec, Shay. You alright? It's lovely, isn't it? It is lovely. I know, in your head you think 675 steps, yeah, no bother, I'll do that in like a couple of minutes. And then you see them, you're like, each step is like, it's 2, 3.
Huh?
See? And then over there in that corner there, see the split in the rock? There's another one there.
Anything else you want to say?
Anything else I want to say?
Yeah, keep going. Keep talking, explain please.
Alright, can you see the bridge?
Yeah.
Where we were?
Yeah.
You're almost level where we were. You literally, and I think, but you're 80% done. So don't give up now.
Well, I can't, I'm stuck here.
I know. Hello. Does it look like water?
Yeah, it looks
Nice, nice. Oh, it does, yeah. Oh, wow, that looks beautiful. Yeah. Oh, let these people come past you first there. Do you like to see these yellow plants? That's okay, buddy. These are called honeysuckle. Really, yeah, the birds and the bees absolutely love these. They can't get enough of them. This is the best part.
Is it?
Yeah, this is the best part.
Sarah, if you go down there, there's a massive step that's like 2 steps.
Yeah, but see these lines? So see these lines, Naris?
Yeah.
This is caused by natural erosion where the water used to run down the front. This is my favourite part. It's so nice, isn't it?
It's nice to feel safe though. I think this water goes to the pretty water.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mum, it's mine.
Oh, you got it on now, have you?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, can I hold my teddy for a bit, please, Mum? Sarah, can I turn it on?
It's on.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. That is so pretty.
You enjoying that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
These flowers are pretty, aren't they?
Rhododendron.
The GoPro is really cool.
Come on. Tell me.
Yeah.
Come on, love.
Thank you.
She was enjoying the break.
I just seen a fellow Arsenal fans on.
Yeah. So we're almost now at the end.
Yeah.
We're getting right up there now, back to the top.
We've probably done like 90% or so.
Well, there's 675 steps, I believe, altogether. No, but if you read your information on your map, mate, does tell you. But I don't know if these. I don't know if you class these as steps.
No, I don't think you
Wow.
This is where the land is.
Good job I've got trainers, isn't it?
So you've got a little seating area here, or we can carry on up. We're almost there now.
Oh wait, there's one more monument left. There's water's like right at the
It is really nice, isn't it? The water is perfect. See? And look. See, and we're almost at the exit now. Wow. Shay, there's monument 13. There it is there, the eagle. The eagle on the red kite on the rock. Woo. I missed the step then. So cool.
Hey, you just wanted to put the train.
I know, but I said, well, while we're here, why would we not do this?
No.
Well, why would you not want to walk around here? This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
Come on,
if it was flat.
We should sing Happy Birthday Day.
it is beautiful, isn't it? Come on, you got to give it that. You got to appreciate the natural beauty.
Yeah, mud.
Lebs, you can see the bridge.
No.
Yeah. So step onto that bit there now first. Go to the edge and then just do a big step across. Or half a step.
This is empty, yeah? And there is another. Can I pick up like some really cool rocks if I find some?
Yeah? The little so you've got the pool and then it spills over.
Yeah, that's so cool.
That is so cool. Hey, look at that, there's a gate there so you can walk around to it. The gate. Mate, I want to go through it. I want to go through that gate. Ah, Rocky!
I'm shattered.
Arms?
Those night sleep tonight. That's what I said last night. And you really didn't. Yeah. I'll probably fun. Monument 12 just up this
Yeah,
way.
if you look, see, Tyrion, I don't know if you see, but see over there, look, there's another waterfall. Can you see it? So there's where we were, in the hut.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
This is like days ago.
Look at the waterfall that side though. It's lovely, isn't it? It is beautiful. Yeah.
Is that it for steps?
Yeah, it's just basically flat walk around here now to the exit.
I saw it really close.
Yeah? Oh, they have all in. It's quite a really nice dry stone wall on it. They're all struggling. And there's the exit. What a fantastic walk.
Not stopping until I get there.
So Shay.
Not stopping until I get there.
Oh, okay, I was going to interview you. Okay. There's the exit, Tiz.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was a good walk for I like that.
You liked it, yeah? What would you give it out of 10?
A 10.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This or Elan Valley?
This.